In food manufacturing, downtime isn't just inconvenient, it's expensive, and most plants are losing far more than they realize. Depending on the facility, downtime can cost anywhere from $50,000 to over $300,000 per hour. And that's just the visible loss. What doesn't show up on a spreadsheet often hurts even more. In food manufacturing, downtime means spoiled raw materials, trucks waiting at the dock, quality teams scrambling, customers asking why shipments are late, and in regulated environments, downtime quickly becomes a compliance risk. As one food manufacturing CIO put it, downtime isn't just production loss. If systems are unavailable during an audit, you're exposed to fines, recalls, and even lost contracts. That's why downtime should be treated as a business problem, not just an IT issue. The direct costs hit fast: lost production, spoiled inventory, idle labor and overtime, and supply chain delays that ripple downstream. Then come the longer-lasting impacts: reputation damage, lost audit confidence, regulatory penalties, and employee burnout from constant firefighting. Today, many outages aren't mechanical. They're digital. ERP failures stall scheduling. MES outages eliminate production visibility. Network issues shut down scanners and IoT devices. Cyber attacks can lock entire plants out overnight. When IT goes down, production goes down. Food manufacturers operate under strict frameworks like FDA, FSMA, SQF, and GFSI. If you can't access traceability records during an audit, downtime turns into real regulatory exposure fast. The right IT partner helps manufacturers shift from reactive firefighting to proactive stability. That includes 24/7 monitoring, predictive maintenance, tested disaster recovery, cybersecurity, secure cloud ERP and MES support, and co-managed IT that supports stretched internal teams. When these layers work together, downtime shrinks, and so does risk. Consilien brings over 25 years of experience supporting California manufacturers with a strong focus on food and beverage. Our approach is cybersecurity first, compliance-driven, and built for long-term operational stability. Security and audit readiness aren't add-ons, they're built in. Downtime doesn't wait, and every hour costs more than most companies expect. If you're ready to protect production, reduce risk, and stay audit-ready, let's talk. Speak with a Consilien food manufacturing IT expert today.